This is one of the most massive of all animal constructions. It's a dam that's blocked this valley and built up behind it a sizable lake. Its foundations are sticks that have been rammed vertically into the bed of the stream. Horizontal poles have been laid across those, and then boulders dumped on it to give the whole thing weight. The downstream side slopes gently and is buttressed with poles. The upstream is more vertical and faced with mud. It was designed, built and maintained by a family of beavers over decades and handed down from one generation to the other. If ever there was an ancestral pile, this is it. Such large properties need constant care and attention. Every dam has to have a spillway to carry away the continual flow of the stream. After heavy rains, it has to be enlarged to allow the rising water to escape before it bursts the dam. And when the flood subsides, the dam has to be built up again. The beavers have very clear ideas about the exact position for any one piece and labour away until they get it just right. Large beams are needed for structural strength. Small twigs, leaves and mud are essential to plug the gaps. The purpose of all this labour is to create a lake. During the summer they sink branches in it. When winter comes and the lake is frozen over, they will dive beneath the ice to retrieve the still green leaves from cold storage. But it has another purpose too. It makes their home virtually impregnable. This is the lodge, the family residence. There seems to be no way into it. That's because the entrance, in fact, is underwater, just about here. So you have to be a skilled swimmer and underwater diver to get into the residence. In fact, it's a pretty well burglar-proof home. But impressive though it is, and ingenious though the beavers are in utilising wood, they do little more than cut it up into convenient lengths. However, there are some animals that have discovered how to process